creamy milk begins inside sweet corn.
Only mature sweet corn is taken.
Sweet corn quality is decided instantly.
Uniform sweet corn moves forward.
Excess is removed from sweet corn early. Sweet corn moisture is protected. Sweet corn moisture is protected.
£1,000,000 begins here.
Sweet corn enters industrial motion.
Sweet corn is locked for the journey.
Sweet corn leaves the farm behind. Sweet corn begins its industrial journey.
Sweet corn must arrive untouched.
Sweet corn freshness is guarded in motion.
Sweet corn nears transformation.
Sweet corn demands control. Sweet corn meets infrastructure. Sweet corn arrives with purpose.
Every sweet corn load is traced.
Sweet corn enters the system.
Sweet corn is ready to be received.
Sweet corn reaches the factory gates.
Every sweet corn batch is logged. The plant opens for sweet corn.
Position protects sweet corn.
Fresh sweet corn meets factory air.
Sweet corn begins mechanical handling. Sweet corn is guided forward. Sweet corn volume drives the process. Sweet corn prepares to move inside. Sweet corn enters the system. Sweet corn meets its first cleansing.
Every sweet corn surface is exposed.
Sweet corn is scrubbed thoroughly.
Only sweet corn moves on.
Human judgment protects sweet corn quality.
Not all sweet corn qualifies. Sweet corn finds its category.
Sweet corn freshening. Sweet corn freshness is locked.
Sweet corn prepares for extraction.
Sweet corn extraction is about to begin. Sweet corn husks begin to yield.
Sweet corn is stripped clean.
Nothing from sweet corn is wasted.
Sweet corn is freed of silk.
Sweet corn is washed once more.
Sweet corn is judged by light.
Only perfect sweet corn advances. Sweet corn is prepared internally.
Sweet corn takes its final position.
Sweet corn takes its final position.
Sweet corn begins its transformation.
Sweet corn milk is measured.
Sweet corn gives up its richness. Sweet corn milk enters full automation.
Sweet corn milk moves forward.
Sweet corn solids fall away.
Sweet corn solids fall away. Every drop of sweet corn counts.
Sweet corn milk. Sweet corn milk is clarified.
Every drop of sweet corn counts. Sweet corn milk is stabilized. Sweet corn milk becomes silky.
Sweet corn milk is guided automatically.
Sweet corn milk finds its balance.
Sweet corn milk is made safe. Sweet corn milk flows through purity.
Sweet corn milk is watched constantly.
Sweet corn milk remains steady.
Sweet corn milk is under control.
Sweet corn milk moves to finish. Sweet corn milk nears perfection. Sweet corn milk is refined further.
Sweet corn milk becomes flawless.
Sweet corn milk finds perfect body.
Sweet corn milk is cooled gently.
Sweet corn milk is perfected. Sweet corn milk is held pure.
Sweet corn milk faces inspection.
Sweet corn milk awaits judgment.
Sweet corn milk enters verification.
Sweet corn milk is captured for study.
Sweet corn milk is decoded. Sweet corn milk is checked for safety.
Sweet corn milk shows its purity.
Sweet corn milk is fully traced.
Sweet corn milk is approved.
Sweet corn milk reaches its destination.
Sweet corn milk is portioned exactly.
Sweet corn milk is secured.
Sweet corn milk is identified.
Sweet corn milk is grouped for travel.
Sweet corn milk stands ready. Sweet corn milk waits in balance. Sweet corn milk begins its journey. And this is how modern factories produce sweet corn milk from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.